I want to point out one more thing on this cuckoo quail clock. If this lever here that gets activated by the cam on the quail side, if this lever here is not secure on this shaft, it will never operate your cuckoo, no matter how much you bend these two wires. We had an incident earlier today where the problem is this lever here is spinning freely on this shaft, so it doesn't turn the shaft to operate the cuckoo. So you might have to put a new bushing in here, or put some super glue on here or something to solder this to make sure that this lever is secured on this shaft. Still ticking away, still functioning, still doing its thing like it's supposed to. Hope y'all are enjoying this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless.